When we got our drive shaft from the drive shaft shop, we asked them to leave it out for us. We have a little place we pick up parts from them after hours, and they left it out per our instructions, and it got rained on. So this surface here that Mark is cleaning the rust off of is that where that yoke goes into the transmission, and it has to be absolutely clean or it's going to wipe out that seal at the back of the tran. If we just harpoon that in the back of the transmission, we'd have seal problems for sure. We took the original Ford drive shaft, marked it up, measured it, sent it to the drive shaft guys, and then they built us a brand new drive shaft that's exactly the right length for us. They're a great drive shaft shop. We've used them for years, and we just need to get this all cleaned up so there's no problems.